Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've had a really long week. Long story short, I took Danny out for her birthday last Thursday and I had a bad oyster. I'm not gonna name any names of restaurants. Anyway, I'm happy to be back in the studio today. So the first time I tried porchetta was right around late 2010, early 2011. It was right before I went to culinary school. And the name of the place was Porchetta. So in 2016 they shut down. So unfortunately we're not going to be able to take a road trip to revisit that experience. But I got a good memory and I'm going to try as hard as possible to make that happen today, to bring back that same experience or similar experience for you guys. But I feel confident. So quick disclaimer, before you get started with this project, it is a lot of food. That's why I plan on making sandwiches for my staff. Plan ahead. It's good for like a Sunday roast or something like that, or a family get together. Let's get started. All right, first things first, the pork belly. I get mine from Master Purveyors. We use them at the restaurant. They're down in the Bronx. I think they have a website as well. Then what we're gonna have to do is get rid of some of the excess skin. So what you're gonna need to do is just roll the pork belly over onto itself and mark off where the end of the pork belly is gonna overlap onto itself. This is a bit of a pain in the ass, but nobody in here likes soggy pig skin. Put the work in, it's worth it. Next thing we wanna do is score the meat so that all the flavors can penetrate faster. We're gonna go pretty heavy on the salt, but trust me, this meat needs it. Then some black pepper. And then I'm also going heavy on the garlic and rosemary, because those are the flavors that I remember most. Rub that in with some olive oil, some dried oregano, a pinch of paprika, and fennel seeds. Now we're gonna tie this thing up using some butcher's twine. So originally I was gonna score the skin. That's what I usually do with pork belly. But I saw this cool technique on YouTube and the guy looked pretty legit. So I wanted to try it out. Plus it just looked like fun stabbing the thing. All right, so that's all done. I'm gonna head home for the night. Put it in the fridge uncovered. We want those flavors to come together. And also we want that skin to dry out a little bit inside the fridge. So we're gonna be back tomorrow morning to put this thing in the smoker. See you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, so it's around 9 a.m. on day 2 of this porchetta project. The pig is in the smoker. I got it set to about 350, and that's gonna go for at least 8 hours. And on the back end, the last 20 minutes or so, I'm gonna crank the heat up just so we can get that skin nice and crispy. In the meantime, I'm gonna dump some of the footage from yesterday, and it's a beautiful day outside, so I think I'm gonna go for a little bike ride. Dude, that thing is so much fun. Oh my God. All right, let's get back to cooking. All right, so we got a couple hours of cook time left on the porchetta. I'm gonna take this time to throw together a quick sauce and the accoutrement. Garlic aioli and a baby arugula salad. For the aioli, 2 egg yolks, 1.5 cups of canola oil, a tablespoon and a half of Dijon mustard, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, and salt and pepper. And for the salad, really simple, just baby arugula and red onion. Hit it with some of that aioli and a little olive oil and a little extra lemon juice. Toss that up, and now it's time to pull the meat. So this thing's got to rest for at least a half an hour. I'm gonna throw our buns in the oven for about 5 minutes, just to toast them up a little bit. And then we're gonna cut those up, carve up the meat, and put these sandwiches together. Let's make this happen. I got some hungry workers downstairs. Boys. Where you going, Ruby? Where? Why are they all scared of the camera? Hey, we need a good light. Where's the light? Right there. All right, guys. So that's porchetta. That's my porchetta episode. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys again soon. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Anyway, give me a thumbs up. All right, guys. See you guys soon. Peace.